Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. I'm confident you'll all achieve your goals. So, young man, what are your aspirations?
I want to do robotics, ideally from the Bust Institute in the US.
And you, young lady?
Sir, I love kids and I would love to learn pediatrics. I feel Boston is the best place for that.
Sumit, what about you?
Back home to India for medicine.
Good. I'm sure you'll all achieve your aspirations, be it in India or anywhere. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT, or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.
We undertake coaching for regular and repeat batches and tuition for board examinations. Brilliant Education Centre, Doha, Qatar.
Hello all, welcome to the live MCQ session of Brilliant Qatar. Here we have the fourth chapter, that is so important chapter, carbon atom and its compounds. It is so interesting chapter, it is beautiful chapter with some important compounds, ethanol, ethanoic acid, ester. So today we will discuss about important compounds of this chapter and some important MCQs of this chapter. Okay, with me I have NSD, Mr. NSD, I welcome you.
Okay sir, thank you.
So here also we have an MCQ game session that also we need your support and your participation helps us to boost more.
Yes.
And we are going to start the first question.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us start.
Continue, sir. Yes, sir. Continue.
See, in this chapter, we have learned many reactions, that is saponification reaction, esterification reaction. Like that, we have a question, identify A in the following reaction. Identify A in the following reaction. We have the reaction CH3COOH plus Na2CO3 gives A plus CO2 plus H2O. So clearly we know that CH3COOH, acetic acid, Na2CO3, it is a metal carbonate. So we already learned in second chapter, acid plus metal carbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. So which salt here it is forming? Here CH3COOO minus, it is the anion. And from here you have Na plus. So this is a salt. So its name is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is option A. So it is a quite easy question. Like that we have many, the reactions is coming. We can discuss that reaction. First question, the option is A.
Okay. So here our acetic acid, when it react with a metal carbonate, we will be getting the substance A, that is the sodium acetate. Okay, you said that there are carbon dioxide also forming with that, right?
Yes, yes.
So it's a gas, we know it, and it is in liquid state, this is a gas. Now, how can you identify this carbon dioxide gas which is formed?
Yes, sir. Good question.
Yeah.
If we have carbon dioxide, suppose we have lime water, pass the carbon dioxide through lime water, you will have white precipitate. You already know it is calcium carbonate. Okay?
So it's this test is called as lime water test.
Okay.
Correct. So most of you, all of you, can you text the question? Everyone. Yes. Got it clear, right? All of you. Yes. You are getting the answers. Correct. Okay, fine. Okay, let us go to the next question then. Okay, fine. Okay, the next question is, which of the following it's not belong to the same homologous series? This is very important. Which is not belongs to the same homologous series. Now, one thing you should understand, my dear student, what is actually homologous series? Homologous series mean a group of organic compound which have more or less similar property, and they are their successive compound differ by CH2. their successive compound differ by CH2. Correct. Now, look at here. In this case, we know it. This is one of the homologous series and it is CH4. We know CH4 is what? It is alkane, right? It is alkane. So, you can just see CH4. I mean, you can see the CH4 which is alkane, right? Fine. Now here the next one, it is C2H6. C2H6 also what? You know what if you take C2H6, what is the difference here? What is the difference here? CH2. That means even they belong to the same homologous series. Right. The next one you take, the next one is our, yes, C3H8. C3H8 mean that also what? That also belong to the same homologous series. How can you say that? They belong to same homologous series. What is the difference here? Again, CH2. Right. Now, these all are alkane. Right. These all are alkane. My dear students, are you getting it? These all are alkane. How can you say that these all are alkane? They, what is the general formula? CnH2n, plus 2. Because everywhere you can see, what is the double of 3? 6 plus 2. What is the double of 2? 4 plus 2. What is the double of 1? 2 plus 2. But look at my dear student here. Look at here. Is it exactly, see, are they following CnH2n plus 2? Simple question. Are they following the same formula? No. It is exactly double. Carbon is 4. Hydrogen is 8. Are they following plus 2? No. Following CnH2n. That means this belong to, our answer is this belong to alkene family. Alkene family. All others mean first 3, they belongs to alkane family. Alkane family. Is it clear, all of you? Everyone got it clear? Sir, can you check the comment what they are writing? Yes.
We have Shazel,
yes. Very
then
good.
Medansh, then Safin.
Mayank. Yes, very good.
Samir is
Yes.
there. All
Fatima.
of you have, option D. All of you have
Good.
correct answer.
Good.
So, can you mention any two members of alkene family?
Alkene family. Okay. Alkene family means, my dear student, now what PSD asked, one of the important question where, most of the time they ask either alkene or alkyne family. Now you should understand, as I said you, alkene mean, to find out alkene is very easy, exactly double of, carbon number, exactly double, hydrogen number you take exactly double. Now suppose, look at here, first two member you are asking, sir, right?
Yes.
Okay, so C2 exactly double will be what? H4. Who will be the next one? C3, next member will be double of that, 6, right? Next member will be what? C4, H8. Now everywhere you see, my dear students, everywhere you see, what is the difference here? CH2. What is the difference here? CH2. So successive compound differ by CH2. That is what we say they belongs to homologous series. So this is the first 3 members of homologous series of alkene family. Is it clear, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, fine. Everyone, my dear students, is it clear? Everyone, fine. Let us go to the next question, sir.
Here,
Yeah.
okay, first we can start with the C4.
Okay. H8, O2, correct.
See, first we can start with this question.
Okay.
An alcohol A on reaction with a carbon compound B,
Okay.
C2H4O2, in presence of an acid, produce a sweet smelling compound
B.
C4H8O2. Okay, and water. Compound A and C are, you have options. Look at the options. If I am writing the reaction, just look at here. I have compound
Alcohol.
B. Compound B, clearly you know that C2H4O2. What is C2H4O2? C2H4O2 is CH3COOH.
Fine.
Plus,
Yeah.
you have alcohol. An alcohol A is there. I don't know the alcohol. Just wait. In presence of an acid. In
Yes.
presence of an acid.
Okay.
I got an ester. What is the formula of ester? C4H8O2. So we already know that CH3 COO, CH2, CH3.
Okay.
Now look at here, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
So C4 is there.
Okay.
3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8
Eight.
hydrogen is there. Now
Yes.
2 oxygen is there. So this ester, ethyl acetate is compound C. Okay, compound C is ethyl acetate plus water.
Yes.
So among the option for this data, among the option is, what is the option? Which alcohol you have to take? Ethanol you have to take. Which alcohol you have to take? Ethanol. Because in your ester, how many carbon atom you have? 4 carbon atom you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally you have 4 carbon atom in the left hand side, and you have carbon compound in the right hand side, that is ester, and its number of carbon atom is 4. Now if they are asking 3 carbon atom ester, what happens? You have to take 1 carbon atom alcohol. Okay. So if I am asking 4 carbon atom, what will be the answer? 4 carbon atom ethanol and acetic acid, ethyl acetate. Okay, ethanol and ethyl acetate. Okay.
So it's clear when a acid, when a acid reacting with a alcohol, surely we are going to get a ester, right? So, sir, I have a doubt. Now, suppose you said that in the presence of acid.
Yeah.
What is actually role of acid? I mean, what is the role of acid there?
Actually, here we are using concentrated H2SO4.
Correct.
Concentrated H2SO4 will remove water from the compound.
Compound.
So just look at here, this hydrogen and
Taken
this
from
OH
there.
is
Alright. So this will be forming, I think, this
ethyl
water. Right.
acetate. Right.
Correct. My dear students, are you getting it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. What is the answer? Safin. Correct. Very good. Ahini.
Safin.
Samir. Very good. Very good. Very good. It's great. Great. Great.
Okay.
So
Now-
can we go to
yeah,
the next
next
one?
question.
Okay, fine. Okay, look at here, my dear students. Here, all of you, look at here. Look at the question now. Which of the following formula is butanoic acid? Once again, which of the following formula is the butanoic acid? Now, one thing you should understand, my dear student, butane, how many carbons should be there? Butane, how many carbons should be there? There should be 4 carbon, right? Butane mean 4 carbon should be there, right? There should be 4 carbon. Now you count one by one. Look at here in this compound, because they are asking which is the formula for butanoic acid. Now you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. 5 carbon mean you cannot go for that, right? 5 carbon mean our answer is not that. Now look at the second one. Let us go for that. Okay, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5. Still it is not. Okay, there should be 4 carbon, and also what you should have COOH group, right? Because butanoic acid. Fine. Now here the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's a branched one, and normally you are not discussing about the branch structure according to your syllabus. You are not discussing about that. Okay, the next one you count 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Correct. It's a 4 carbon, and also you have functional group. What is this functional group called? Carboxylic acid. Are you getting the point? Carboxylic acid. So when carboxylic acid is there, we write oic acid, right? Oic acid. So 4 carbon mean 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon mean you should understand it is butane. 4 carbon mean it is you should understand it's a butane. But when you name it, IUPSC name time, we said that last E you have to remove. For what? Last E you have to remove, and if it is alcoholic group, you have to add oic acid. I mean, acid group, you have to add oic acid. So, what is that? Butanoic acid. Hope it's clear, everyone. Hope it's clear, everyone.
Okay, sir. Can you just write the structure of butanoic acid?
Butanoic acid. Okay. Means it's very easy, because butane, one thing you should understand here, the butane, what is that? Butane in the sense, as we have discussed, there should be how many carbon? 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now one is functional group. What is the functional group there, my dear student? COOH. Right. So here, look at here. C double bond O, and it should be OH, COOH. And now, can you tell me how many carbon? Anyone? How many hydrogen can attach here? 4, 3 hydrogen can attach. Because what is the maximum capacity of one carbon to, form hydrogen maximum? Their valency is 4. Now, how many this carbon can have 2 more hydrogen? What about this carbon? This carbon also can have 2 more hydrogen. So this is the structure butanoic acid which you can find. It's clear everyone, sir? Can you check? There yes.
Rishi, Mayank, Tilotima, Samir.
Very good.
Then Vinod, VM.
Very good.
What happens to Ramanujan?
Ramanujan is not seen today.
Okay.
Yes,
Safin
Ramanujan
is
will be
also
back.
there.
Yes, sir. Okay, can we go to the next question? Fine.
The question is, which of the following statements are correct carbon compounds?
Correct. They are asking the correct one. Fine.
Look at the options. Most carbon compounds are good conductors of electricity. Most carbon compounds are good conductors of electricity. Is it true? If we have carbon compound, generally carbon compounds forms what? Covalent bonds.
Yes.
Generally carbon compounds forms covalent bonds. If carbon compounds form covalent bond, that means its electron is shared. So there is no free electron. Most of the case, carbon compounds generally form covalent compounds.
Then they are not forming ions.
Ions.
Right?
So there is no case of ions. So definitely it is not a good conductor.
Correct. It's wrong.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Then second option, it is correct. It is a poor conductor. Okay. Look at the third option. Force of attraction between molecules of carbon compounds is not very strong. What do you mean by forces of attraction? That means if you have one molecule here and if you have another carbon compound, suppose these two have an attraction, forces of attraction, that will be very weak because inside the molecule the covalent bond is so strong, but in between the attraction is weak. Okay, because already we have mentioned there is no formation of charge, there is no plus, there is no minus.
So that means this bond will be very
Easily
weak.
broken.
Easily can break.
Very less heat it will break.
Enough. Fine.
So forces of attraction between molecules of carbon is very
It's not
weak.
a way.
Yeah.
That means this is right. Fine.
Yeah. So option 2 and 3. Which one is option 2 and 3? This one, B.
Yeah.
So kindly check the options, sir.
Yes, everyone. Yes, Musadik, Rahul, Safin, Femin, Samir. Very good. It's the correct one, B, option B.
Okay, okay.
But sir, I have a doubt. In the sum of the carbon, here, some of the carbon atom where we talk about, they are a good conductors of electricity. Can you give some example?
Yeah, definitely graphite is a good conductor.
Okay, then why they are like that?
Yeah, actually, if you have graphite, what happens that only 3
valency bonds are there.
Only 3 covalent bonds are there. Fourth electron is
Free. Free means they can
Uh,
conduct the electricity. There will be free electron. Correct. So, my dear students, can we go to the next one? Everyone. Fine. Let us go to the next question.
Yeah, I think all are
Giving the answer, right?
Yes, yeah.
Very good. Good. Very good. Fine. So, next one. What is the next one? Which of the following belong to the homologous series of alkyne? My dear students, alkyne. Keep in mind, alkyne. What is the formula of alkyne? We have already discussed. CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. So, now just take an example. Easily you will get the answer here. I'll tell you, suppose you have taken carbon atom is 10. How do you get the alkyne? Just take the double of that. What is the double? 10, 20. Hydrogen will be the, yes, carbon atom. If you take 10, hydrogen atom should be double is what? Double 20. But minus 2. Minus 2 means what? Here it should come 18. So easily you can get it. Suppose carbon is 4. Can you tell me hydrogen number? Double minus 2. What is the double? 8 minus 2, 6. So that is what, always belong to our alkane. Now look at here. Here carbon number, hydrogen number is same. So surely you can say they are not belong to alkyne. They are not belong to alkyne. Look at here, second one. CnH2n plus 2 it comes. That means C2H6. Are they double minus 2? No, it is double plus 2. Plus 2. That is belong to what? Belong to alkane ANE. Even that is not belong to that. Okay, then next one. C2, H4. Exactly double. Carbon is 2, hydrogen is 4. Exactly double mean they belong to alkene. They belong to alkene. Alkene, what is the formula of alkene? CnH2n. That's all. Exactly double. So that is, even this is not the answer. So what will be the answer? Alkyne. Minus 2. Look at here. Carbon. Yes, look at here. C3. C3 will be carbon 3, double of that 6, 6 minus 2, 4. Yes, so this will be the answer. So our answer is going to be the fourth one. Sir, can you check how many of that? Yes, Ahini, Fahim, yes. Ramanujan is not seen today. Yes, Ramanujan is not seen today. Okay, correct. Fine. Now, is there any question to be discussed here, sir?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Now, can you draw the structure of ethine?
Ethine, okay. Ethine means we know it. C2H2. Right. Ethine we know. Ethine means it belongs to what? YNE. YNE mean it belongs to alkyne group. So one thing you should understand. Here you should be carbon. You know what is the speciality of alkyne? Carbon triple bond. Carbon triple bond. So you should understand here. So you should understand carbon triple bond you have to make first. Carbon triple bond. Fine. Now how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. One hydrogen is here. Another hydrogen is here. Alright. My dear student, most of the time they ask this. The diagram. Structure of ethine or ethene. Always. Okay. So it's clear all of you? Everyone. Can you check the answer, sir? They have given the answer, right?
Yes.
Already. Fine. Okay. Let us go to the next question.
Okay. So just look at the question. Ethanol on complete oxidation gives option A acetic acid, option B CO2 and water, option C ethanol, option D acetone or ethanol.
Nice.
So actually it is acetone.
Yeah.
Just look at the options. Now we have learned about one person, alkaline KMnO4.
Potassium permanganate.
Yes, potassium permanganate. It is a strong oxidizing agent. That means it is strong oxidizing agent means it can give oxygen, and if you have ethanol CH3 CH2 OH, it will completely oxidize it. It will completely oxidize means it is a strong oxidizing agent. It is not weak oxidizing agent. So it will completely oxidize this compound. How many carbon atom you have? 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom alcohol will become 2 carbon atom acid. So it is quite easily you can get acetic acid. So it is a strong oxidizing agent. So what is the role of this KMnO4? It will furnish, it will give oxygen.
So that means they are called as oxidizing agent. Sir, in the textbook I have seen one more example for we use it as oxidizing agent.
Yes. It is acidified K2Cr2O7.
Potassium dichromate.
Yeah.
They are also ready to give their oxygen to them. So that means they are also considered as
oxidizing agent. Now, if you have mild oxidizing agent only, we have to look at these options. If you have strong oxidizing agent, definitely you will get acetic acid or ethanoic acid.
Okay, let us check, sir. Is there, yes, Fatima, Shazel, Safin, Mrigaja. Yes, very good. Fatima, Shazel, Rahul, Yug.
Fahim.
Yes, Fahim. Very good. So can we go to the next question?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, my dear students, what is the next question? Look at here. When ethanoic acid is treated with NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is NaHCO3? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. A gas is evolved. What is that gas? That is what we need to find it out, right? Okay, so PhD, let us discuss that, reaction. Ethanoic acid. My dear students, please note it down. What is the formula of ethanoic acid? We have already discussed. Ethanoic acid is a CH3COOH. This is the acid, right? Now, ethanoic acid is an acid where they react with NaHCO3. NaHCO3 means what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate, right? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. That means you should understand sodium is a metal, hydrogen carbonate. That means metal hydrogen carbonate. So when our acid react with a metal hydrogen carbonate, we have discussed, what do we get? Salt, carbon dioxide, water. Even in the second chapter, acid base chapter, we have discussed, we will be getting, salt plus carbon dioxide and water. Alright, now they are asking about what? They are asking about the gas. What do they release? We know it, gas means what? Here you can see the carbon dioxide will be the gas. Carbon dioxide, will be the gas. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be the second option, CO2. So can you see, sir, how many of them have given? Yes, yes. Fine. Arya, yes. Asya, Shizel, Femin, Safin, Fatima. Most of you have given answer. Yes, anything should be added here. This is carbon dioxide, right?
Yes.
So there was a simple question last year. Carbon dioxide gas is produced. How can you check it? We have already discussed this. Checking the carbon dioxide is by which test?
Lime water.
Yes, lime water test. How can you check it for that? Lime water is what? Calcium hydroxide. Lime water is what? Calcium hydroxide. When you react that carbon dioxide, right? When you pass the carbon dioxide through the lime water, you will be getting milky white precipitate. What is that milky white precipitate? That is the calcium carbonate. Along with that, they are forming water also. But what is the color of this? Milky white. If they give milky white, you can say that our, gas what is formed, that is carbon dioxide. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah, everyone, is it clear?
Now we have many correct options. Samir, Fatima, Safin, Mayank,
Very good.
Kushi, Thakur.
Very good.
Then
Tilotma
is there.
Yes.
Then, yeah.
Musadik, Mayank, Fahim, Yug. Yes, very good. Fine. So can we go to the next question?
Okay.
Fine.
So just look at the question. The formula of 4 organic compounds are shown below. Choose the correct option. First option. Option A. A and B are unsaturated hydrocarbons. A and B are unsaturated hydrocarbons. A is unsaturated because you have carbon-carbon double bond. Then B. Whether B is unsaturated, that is a question. Yes, there is double bond, but it is not between carbon and carbon. So it is not unsaturated.
So to be unsaturated, it should be between carbon and carbon.
This is a functional group.
Correct.
Now,
So that means this is wrong.
yeah, that is wrong.
Okay.
Now here, option B, C and D are saturated hydrocarbons.
C
Look at
and
that,
D.
C and D.
Okay.
If I have C, just look at here. This option says saturated hydrocarbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means you only have carbon and hydrogen. Now, if I replaced one hydrogen, what happens? It will become, suppose here, look at the option D. If I replace the hydrogen by a functional group, it is not more hydrocarbon. There is additionally one functional group is there. So it is a derivative of hydrocarbon. Now just look at the.
That means this also wrong.
Okay. Now this look at the option C. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst changes A to C.
Okay.
So addition of hydrogen in the presence of what catalyst, sir?
Yeah, nickel catalyst.
Nickel catalyst. So nickel catalyst. If you have nickel catalyst, C double bond H.
Yes.
This will become what? C.
Yes. saturated, right?
Yeah.
It will be
So
converted into
definitely we will get A to C.
C. That means
C is
that
correct.
will convert into, yes, that is the correct
Now,
one.
sir, just look at the option D.
Yeah.
Addition of potassium permanganate changes B to D.
B to D. B to D means supposed to be from here, B to D. What? Potassium permanganate. Where we use potassium permanganate?
Oxidation
Oxidation
reaction.
time. Oxidation time, actually we have already discussed the alcohol
is
change into acid. My dear students, please note it down. Alcohol change into acid, not acid to alcohol. If it is acid to alcohol, we know it. We have discussed it is not B to D, no. So that is also wrong. Correct.
Okay. How many of you have correct
Let us
answer?
see. Yes, Tilotama, Safin, Yug, Fahad, Fahim.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Can we go to the next one? Fine. What is the next question? All of you listen here. Everyone. The secant members or consecutive means our, consecutive members of homologous series. As I said you, homologous series. What is that? Homologous series case CH4 or C2H6. Alright. Or you can say the next member will be what? C3H8. Alright. Or C4H10. Alright. Always in between we said that what is the speciality? Between that they should be differ by CH2. Yes. Can you tell me what is the carbon number here? Carbon 1 here, carbon 2 here. That means 1 carbon different. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. That means hydrogen difference will be 2. That means they are differ by CH2. Everywhere you check, carbon and hydrogen difference will be CH2. But they are not asking that. What is the question? Comes to the question. Differ by how many, atomic mass. So what do you need to do? Just take the, molecular mass of this one. Yes, you can see here. Look at here. The CH2 you take here. You know it. What is the atomic mass of carbon? My dear student, what is the atomic mass of carbon? 12, right? This is 12 plus. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. But like that, how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So 1 into 2. What it become? 12 plus 2. It become 14. So what will be the answer, sir? Here answer will be 14. Sir, can you check how many of them have given the correct answer?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Most of them they have given the correct answer. Okay. Anything should be added here?
Sir, can we go to the game session? Before that, I think they want to know the importance of time management.
Actually, my dear student, what is the reason, we conduct the Mendi? You think like, most of the students actually, you are not able to complete the paper within a, stipulated time, right? So that means you should be able to, answer very fast. So that is the reason we are coming with the Mendi. It is very, very important. We will go to the MCQ session now. Okay.
Okay, sir. One second.
Okay. Fine. Let us discuss, my dear student. Everyone get ready. All of you get ready with that. Everyone, hope you know it. Do you need any explanation? Just scan this QR code. Everyone, just scan it. Just scan this QR code or go to the www.mendi.com and enter this code. What is the code? here? Yes, 53. So, you can see, yes, 533-98941. We'll give some time because, sometime, they need time to, just enter inside. Okay, fine. Once again, my dear student, please listen. Either you have to scan this QR code or directly go to that. Yes. Directly go to the, www.mendi.com and enter the code. What is the code, sir? Once again,
53398941.
Once again, 53398941. Okay. My dear students, everyone, still we need more. Come on. We need it more. Yes. Either you should go to the directly to our Mendi, just scan it, QR code, or directly you can enter the code www.
And sir, from this chapter, you can expect questions from 5 mark side.
Yeah,
right?
mainly 5 mark, especially question number 34. My dear students, note it down. You know, from this chapter, you must have seen question number 35, 5-mark question, especially the esterification, saponification, oxidation, you know, those questions, even addition reaction, you know, substitution reaction, mostly they will be asking
Yeah.
this.
So
There are some more. Yes, only 33. Yes, students, please, you know, directly scan this QR code. Everyone, directly scan this QR code or directly go to the www.mendi.com and enter the code 53398941.
Okay.
Yes. Everyone, is there anyone more? Is there anyone who want to add more? Yes, come on. Yes, we are waiting for you. Yes, 40. Yes. Let them join. Okay, still, is there some more? Is there more? 43 now. Is there anyone? Just go to that directly. Once again, scan our QR code, or else directly go to the www.mendi.com, enter the code 53398941. Clear, all of you? Yes, 45, 46. Come on. Everyone, try to join in. Everyone, just what you need to do once again. Scan it or go to the, QR code, the www.mendi.com, enter the number 53398941.
Okay.
Everyone. Just, 50 are join. So can we start? Can we start? Okay, let us go to that. Is there anyone now? Can we start? Yes, fine. Let us go to the first question. There are entering. Yes, there are. Okay, add 53 now. Yes, come on. You have time. Don't worry. You have time. Okay. 53. Yes, come on. Is there more? Yes, come on.
Okay, sir.
Fine. We can start now. Okay. Fine. Let us go to the first question, my dear student. First question. Yes. All of you are here. As I said you, it is not only the answer. You have to, how fast you can attend it. Okay. How fast? First question. Let us go to the first question. Yes. Question is here in front of you. The hydrocarbon used as, domestic fuel. What is that option? Ethane, methane, methane, benzene, ethanol. Once again, options are, you have more 10 seconds, you have more 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. However, let us see. Yes, very good. Most of you have given the correct one. That is the methane. We know it. What is the formula? What is the formula of methane, sir? Yes, CH4. My dear students, we have discussed. And when you burn this, what happened? When you combust, what happened? CH4 react with oxygen. They form what? Carbon dioxide and water and plus heat light. That also they produce heat light. But here, methane, when they react with oxygen, they form a carbon dioxide and water. So yes, most of it, around 41 students have given the correct one. Very good. Can we go to the next one? Everyone, can we go to the next one? Fine. Let us go to sir. Can we go to the next question?
Yeah.
Fine. What is the next question here? Question number 2. Yes. Question number 2. Yes. What is the question number? Look at here. Answer fast to get more. Yes. The ethane with molecular formula C2H6 has how many single bonds? What is the question once again? Ethane with molecular formula C2H6 has how many single bond? You have 10 seconds, you have 9 seconds, you have 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4. Say yes, 65, 60. Yes, come on. I think there is a confusion, sir. There is a confusion here. My dear students, I think you are trying to do as much fast. That's why I think you may comes to this. Most of them they have answer. 8 and 7. Can you just draw the structure, sir?
Yeah.
And then they will get an idea.
See, just look at here. If you have C2H6, you have 2 carbon atom, right?
Yeah. C2H6.
Okay. If you have 2 carbon atom, you
Okay.
have 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5,
6
6.
hydrogen. Fine.
So how many hydrogen you have?
My dear students, count it.
6
Easy,
hydrogen.
very easy.
Now just look at the question. Ethane with molecular formula C2H has how many single bonds?
Single bond.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's all. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Yes, very good, very good. Those who have done good, very good. Can we go to the next one, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. My dear students, everyone get ready for the third question. Third question. Third question is there in front of you. There are 70 players now, sir. Yes. Okay, let us talk the third one. Answer the first to get more point. What is the question? An alkane with
the
3 carbon atoms would have how many hydrogen atom in the molecule? Once again, listen. Once again, listen very carefully. It is alkane. Note it down. It is alkane. How many hydrogen atom will be having? 4, 6, 8, 10. You have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Done. 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 What is the answer? Yes, very good. Very good. Most of you have given the correct one. My dear students, as I said you, alkane mean, what is the formula? CnH2n plus 2, right? So what is the number of carbon? It is given, carbon is 3. Carbon is 3 mean hydrogen will be always double plus 2. Hydrogen will be double plus 2. What is the hydrogen number? Here. So it will be 6 plus 2, right? Plus 2. That means 8 hydrogen. How many hydrogen will be there? 8 hydrogen. Is it clear, all of you? Everyone. Yes. Okay. Most of them, they have given the correct one. Okay. So let us go to the next one.
Next question.
Okay. Next question is there in front of you. All of you? Yes. Yes. The question is that organic compound called isomers have. Organic compound, isomers are having, what is the first option, sir? Same molecular formula but different structure.
Different molecular formula but same structure.
Different molecular formula but same chemical property.
Finally, none of the above.
None of the above. Once again, you have 4 seconds, 3 seconds, yes, 2 seconds, 1, done. Done. Okay. Yes. Most of you have given the correct
answer.
one.
I think they
Most
are
of you.
pretty clear about
Yes,
it.
because it's very important. We are talking about isomers. My dear student, everyone, we can take a simple example. C4H10 we can take. What is that? Butane. In the butane, we have discussed that butane have 2 isomers. What are those? First thing, butane can have like direct 4 carbon and hydrogen will be added here. That is one way. That is one way structure. Right. The second structure, you can have a small like branch like structure. Alright. Okay. Here, how many hydrogen they can have? 3. Here, how many hydrogen they can have? Only 1. Because already 3 it is there. And here, how many hydrogen they can have? 3. Here also 3 hydrogen. Clear, all of you? Now that mean here structure is different. Here both the case you see structure is different, but look at their formula. Formula is same. So can we go to the next question? Can we go to the next question, sir? Yes. What is the last question here in front of you, all of you? Hope all are ready. Yes. The question is in front of you. Sir, what is the question? Can you read?
How many single bonds are in the structure of benzene and cyclohexane?
My dear students, it's not only in the benzene. Okay, you have to count how many single bond in the benzene, how many single bond in the cyclohexane. How many single bond you have to check. Options are 6, 12, 9, 18, 3, 6, 9, 12. Respectively. Yes, there is a confusion. There is a confusion. Correct answer is this one. Sir, can you? I will just draw the structure of benzene. Then they will get an idea. You know it. What is the structure of benzene? Benzene is C6H6, right? C6H. And we know it everywhere in the corner. Everywhere we have one carbon. And each carbon give us 1 hydrogen. But more important is that, my dear student, in the benzene you have intermittent double single. Suppose this is double, next will be single. This is double, next will be single. This is double, next will be single. So that means intermittent double bond. So double and single bond. Now you count. Question is what? Question is what? How many single bond? How many single bond? Right. Let us count one single bond. Okay. So you will get it more clear. I think yes. You have a one single bond. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the case of benzene, what you can say, sir? 9. Okay, fine.
Now you have cyclohexane.
Okay, you can just draw the structure of cyclohexane now.
Just look at that cyclohexane. You have 6 corners. Each corner it is carbon atom.
Carbon atom.
Now each corner you have hydrogen atom, right?
2 hydrogen atom.
Yeah, 2 hydrogen atom. So you have 6 into 2 hydrogen atom. 12 single bond is there. In each corner you have how many? Each corner you have 2 single bond. 1, 2. So 6 into 2, 12, right? Okay. Now plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
18.
18.
That's all. 12 plus 6, 18. So in the case of our benzene, we have 9. In the case of cyclohexane, we have 18. I think our questions are over, sir.
Yeah.
Is it over? Yes, fine. Now, my dear student, we are going to the last step where, yes, we are finding our winner. We are finding our winner. Shazal, Rahan, Mayank. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Yes, it is Shazal. Congratulations, Shazal. Shazal, I think she is from Pearl School.
Yeah.
Shazal, congratulations. A big applause for Shazal. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, keep it up. Good. So,
We can go to the
next
MCQ.
question. Come on, come on. So, my dear students, yes. Where is our, yes. Fine. Let us go to the next question. Fine, sir. Continue.
Look at the question. Carbon forms 4 covalent bonds by sharing its 4 valence electron with a 4 univalent atom. Example, hydrogen.
Okay.
After the formation of 4 bonds, carbon attains the electronic configuration of option A, helium, option B, neon, option C, argon, option D, krypton. So just look at here. We already learned how the covalent bonds are formed by carbon atom.
Okay.
Carbon atom shares its last shell electron. If there is hydrogen, for example, they are mentioning hydrogen is there.
Okay.
So if there is carbon atom and its 4 electron, it is after sharing the 4 electron, just look at the number of electron present in the carbon atom. It
Extra 4 more come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Total 8.
Yeah. So after sharing the electron, what is the number of electrons in the last shell of carbon atom? 8 electrons.
So first shell it will be 2.
Second shell
will be
8.
Okay.
So sir, kindly tell me which atom have these 2 comma
K
8?
shell 2, L shell 8 mean it will be neon.
Yeah.
No doubt about that.
Yeah.
So neon will be
Neon.
the answer. Correct.
Okay.
So this even in the case of argon. We know it. Argon is also like where they have completely filled our last shell. Can you just write their electronic configuration of
Yeah.
argon?
We already know what is the atomic number of argon.
18.
18.
Fine.
So first shell it will have 2.
Very good.
Second shell it will have 8.
That is their maximum.
Yeah. Finally, what is this, sir?
8. So they are completely filled. We call noble gases, right? Fine. Can we go to the next one?
Sure.
Fine. So my dear students, all of you, look at the question. We have already seen somewhere, this question. Which of the following, similar question we have seen before, right? Which of the following will give a pleasant smell of ester? Clear. Now itself it is clear. They are talking about ester. We have already discussed how do ester form when a alcohol react with what? Acid. When a alcohol react with acid, surely they will be forming. Surely they will be forming what? It will be alcohol and acid will be forming ester. Fine. Now look at here. In this case, okay, ethanol they have given. Okay, ethanol means our alcohol. So what is the formula? CH3, CH2, OH. Right. Okay. Acid. Now it's a small quantity because we know this reaction should happen. What? in the presence of acid. My dear student, keep in mind, esterification. Esterification will happen only in the presence of acid. Just opposite one. Suppose saponification in the presence of
So,
base.
for clarity, can you just write saponification?
Saponification. But then let us come to the answer because we need an acid, right?
Yeah.
What is the acid here? This is the only one acid, right? Which one? CH3COOH. That is the only acid functional group. What is the functional group of OH? It is alcohol. So we cannot take it as this also OH. OH mean alcohol. So that is also not acid. So we cannot take. And CHO. CHO is aldehyde. That also you cannot take. So surely who will be the answer? Our CH3. Our CH3 COOH will be the answer here. So this is the acid, this is the alcohol, they will be forming ester. What you said something, sir?
Yeah, actually, if we have saponification reaction, can you please write that saponification reaction?
Correct. Because ester, what is actually, my dear student, one thing you should understand, my dear student, you know, the esterification and saponification just opposite. Now, what was the product form there? What was the product form after the esterification? That was our CH3COO and CH2CH3. This is the ester, right?
Ethyl acetate.
This is the ester. Now we said that our esterification because of acid, but saponification what? Base. So what is the base we use? NaOH.
Yeah.
NaOH is a base, right? So we use a base here. So normally, you know what will happen? What will happen in this case? They will just break down their compound. What is the compound? You know, it is produced from where? Alcohol and acid. They will again break down into that, right? So what will form? CH3COONA. And plus, what will form? CH3CH2OH. What is this compound called, sir? CH3CONA, sodium.
This compound, the name is sodium acetate, CH3COONA. Okay, or we can call sodium salt of acetic acid. Okay, so this is your soap.
Yes, this reaction we use in the preparation of soap. That's why this reaction is called saponification. Hope you know it, because you know some of the question paper is always seen. How can you justify the name of the reaction? Justify means you have to say this reaction is used in the preparation of soap. That's why it is called as saponification. So can we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Just look at the question. The formula of 4 organic compounds are given below.
C2H4,
CH3COH,
C2H5OH,
C2H6.
Okay.
Which one of these compound A, B, C or D is a saturated hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbon.
My dear students, saturated hydrocarbon mean carbon-carbon single bond. Yes.
Yeah. Here it is clearly double bond is there. Now, which one is saturated? What do you mean by saturated hydrocarbon? Clearly we know that saturated hydrocarbon means if you have single bond between carbon atom. Single bond between carbon atom, this is a saturated hydrocarbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbon? Carbon and hydrogen. Don't look at the other option. You have COH, it is a functional group. If you have a hydrogen, replace the hydrogen by a functional group. That is a derivative. The derivative of hydrocarbon. So here the option D, just look at C2H6. C2H6 already you know that how many hydrogen is there? 6 hydrogen is there. And in this option you have carbon and hydrogen. It is a hydrocarbon. And that hydrocarbon follows which formula? CnH2n plus 2. That is of alkane. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon.
So okay, directly we can use the formula and we can get it. That means then what about this one, sir? This one in the case?
This one we have double bond, right?
Okay.
C double bond C. So this one is CnH2n, that is clearly not the general formula of alkane, it is general form of alkene. Now sir, can you check the options?
Yes, very good. The option D. Yes, very good. Mayank, Pragya, Jos, yes, Fatima, Yug, very good. Asya, very good. Very good, Samir. All are giving correct answer.
Okay. So, sir, kindly do the next question.
Okay, let us go to the next question, my dear student. Next question. All of you listen. What is the question here? The following chemical reaction, it's an addition to chlorine. What we are adding? What we are adding? Chlorine we are adding. We are adding the chlorine. Now, you know where we are adding the chlorine? Methane. What is methane, my dear student? What is methane, my dear student? CH4. CH4, what you are adding? Chlorine plus Cl2. Plus Cl2. Do you remember, my dear students, we have discussed a substitution reaction. What is a substitution reaction? One of the chlorine will replace one hydrogen. Do you remember? I mean, our one of the chlorine will replace, they will kick out our hydrogen. So what happened? If one of the chlorine is kicking out, so this CH4 become what? One hydrogen is gone, mean CH4 becomes CH3. Right, CH4 becomes CH3 because one hydrogen is kicked out. Now who is kicking out? One chlorine is kicking out. That means that chlorine will take here. That means chlorine is here. Right, that means chlorine is here. And what happens now? One chlorine, there was two chlorine. One chlorine is left out still because one chlorine only gone here. This chlorine and this hydrogen, what do they form? HCl. HCl. So my dear student, can anyone comment? What is the name of it? CH3Cl. What is the name of the CH3Cl? Anyone can name it? CH3Cl. What is the name of it? Okay. And what anyway, we will come to the answer is what? Yes, CH3Cl plus HCl. So what is the actually name of it? What is the actually name of it? This one, CH3Cl.
Its name is methyl
chloride.
Chloromethane.
You can say chloromethane or methyl chloride.
Okay. Now, sir, if the reaction continues, what will be the last product?
Reaction continue means? Okay, this was the first step,
Yeah.
correct. Okay, this was the first step. If the reaction is continuing, I'll tell you what happened. This chlorine will be keep on replacing. Chlorine is keep on replacing, right? So what happened? Finally, you will be getting carbon tetrachloride. You will be getting carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride you will be getting. But here in the question they ask only, first what is this reaction in the first step, right? That is what answer is this one. But this reaction continues. This reaction continues. Our final product will be CCl4.
Okay.
Clear? Okay, let us go to the next question. See, most of them they have given correct answers, sir. Rahul, Pragya, yes, Kushi, yes, fine. Okay, very good. Fatima, Yug, Femin, Fatima Nazrin, Pragya, yes, very good, fine.
Okay, sir, we have one question here.
Okay.
A soap molecule has hydrophobic head and hydrophobic tail.
Okay.
Directly we can jump to the answer. We already know that if you have a soap molecule, definitely there will be a hydrophobic portion. That is hydrophobic tail. Right?
Okay.
Now, if you have a charged side,
Okay.
that is hydrophilic side. Right? So, you already learned about the...
Charged ion means it will be ionic.
Yeah,
Okay.
ionic. Now we already learned that soap molecule is CH3COO minus Na plus. So this is a small molecule. This is a huge molecule where you have hydrocarbon.
So
tail.
what will be our answer?
D.
Okay, sir, what is the question? What is actually mean by hydrophilic mean?
Hydrophilic means this end is having charge. So it will mingle with or it will mix with the water molecule.
Water, okay. So that means hydrophilic, they react with water. They love water.
Yeah. This one is phobic, that hates water. That means they will not mix with water. They will be attaching with the oil or dirt we have. Okay?
Clear.
Okay. Now, last question.
Okay, we'll go to the last question, my dear students here. Last question, all of you listen. This will be our last question. How many carbon atom present in a one molecule of ethanoic acid? Here it's very clear. Ethanoic acid means ethane. What is the formula of ethanoic acid? We know CH3COOH, ethanoic acid. It is clear now. There are two carbon. That's all. Nothing else. There is nothing to worry. There are only two carbon. Is it clear? It's very easy. Now suppose if it is propanoic acid, what will be the number of?
Yeah. If it is propanoic acid, clearly it will be what? CH3,
Okay.
CH2, COOH. How many carbon atoms?
One, two, three. There will be 3 carbon in that case.
Okay.
So we will wind up here, my dear students. I just want to tell you something regarding our, you know it after maybe after a week you are, going to face with the board exam. My dear students, first of all, I'll tell you, you have to be very cool. Most of the students I have seen, you are taking a lot of tension. No need to take tension at all. Second thing, you should have your own, timetable. Like you should know that morning session, what I study, afternoon, what I study, either maths or science. You should make your own schedule. Second thing. Third thing, my dear students, first of all, you should understand, I have seen there are many students who sit, late night, like up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock for studying. I'll tell you, my dear student, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Maximum you can study up to 11 or 11:30. Sleep after that. Just go to bed 11:30, but get up early by 5:30. You will get a most precious time by 5:30. If you get up 6:30, 7:30, up to at least 2 hours what you are getting in the morning, you can utilize. Please keep in mind these 3 things. Okay, we will see in the next session. Okay, bye, see you.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. I'm confident you'll all achieve your goals. So, young man, what are your aspirations?
I want to do robotics, ideally from the Bust Institute in the US.
And you, young lady?
Sir, I love kids and I would love to learn pediatrics. I feel Boston is the best place for that.
Sumit, what about you?
Back home to India for medicine.
Good. I'm sure you'll all achieve your aspirations, be it in India or anywhere. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.
We undertake coaching for regular and repeat batches and tuition for board examinations. Brilliant Education Centre, Doha, Qatar.